my name is Darvell, and this is Otis, and we are with Unlimited Building and Plumbing Services. Today, we're going to show you the Milwaukee's newest 2-inch to 3-inch PEX machine. We have 2-inch pipe, 2-inch O-ring, and we have a 2-inch brass barb. So right now, Otis is going to demonstrate how to put a O-ring onto the 2-inch pipe. First of all, he's going to make sure that the O-ring is on the pipe nice and snug. He's going to then put the pipe and the O-ring onto the PEX machine. Now we are expanding the O-ring and the 2-inch pipe to fit the brass barb. You want to do this 3 to 4 times. After the O-ring and the 2-inch pipe fitting snug against the gun, you want to do it one more time. And now the brass barb fits snugly onto the O-ring and the pipe. And now we're going to be demonstrating how to put a 1/2-inch PEX pipe onto a couple of stub outs. Here we have one for the cold, one for the hot, and over here we have one coming out for cold. That would be your toilet. Otis is going to show you how to put the O-ring onto one of the 1/2-inch PEX lines and then installing it. Here he has the Milwaukee gun that expands the O-ring and the 1/2-inch PEX pipe. Goes right onto the fitting, and then it retracts to fit the fitting nice and snug. Blues for the cold, reds for the hot. Now he's going to do the hot line. Once again, it expands the O-ring. And then now it fits onto the fixture nice and snug. So now you have the cold side and the hot side 1/2-inch for your faucet. And now I'm going to show you the exact same process that Otis did on a toilet line. And there's your demonstration for 1/2-inch PEX pipe to a toilet and for hot and cold faucet. I'm Darvell.
And I'm Otis.
And remember, there's no limit to quality service. Please check out our website at www.ulps.net. You can also Yelp us or check us out on Facebook.